everyone. Welcome back to Shiza's Playroom. I am going to read you the book called I am invited to a party. An Elephant and Piggie book by Willems. It says Piggy. I'm invited to a party. An Elephant and Piggie book by Willems. Gerald! Look! I'm invited to a party. Cool. It is cool. Will you go with me? I have never been to a party. I'll go with you. I know parties. Party! Wait! What if it is a fancy party? We must be ready. Really? I know parties. He knows parties. Zip, zap. Look at their tongue out, Steve. They're funny. Zap, zip. Oh, look at Piggy. She's funny. And ooh. Is this fancy? Very fancy. That's cool. Party! Wait! What if it is a pool party? A fancy pool party? We must be ready. I know parties. He knows parties. Zip, zap. Zap, zip. They look so funny. How is this? We will make a splash. Party! Wait! What if it is a costume party? A fancy pool costume party? We must be ready! Oh, Piggy. Poor Piggy. Zip, zap. We had better know parties. What's that? Zap, zip. She looks so funny. Now, can we go to the party? Yes! Now we are ready. Well, that is a surprise. Party! You do know parties! Party! Oh, look at the little cute guy down there. Piggy says the end. I hope you like this book called I'm Invited to a Party by Willems, an Elephant and Piggie book. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and give a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.